Hello, my name is Marty Windle. I'm here to talk to you about the revision course that we're offering this year. Now, a lot of people say to me, Marty, should I do the revision course? What is the benefit for me? Well, when I was a student, I was asking the same question. And my lecturer told me at the time, look, you've got to do the revision course. It will add a lot of value to you. I listened to him, I did the revision course, and I never failed a professional examination. So the idea of revision course is it brings everything together. But in particular, people are listening. It's close to the exam. What we're going to do is we're going to focus on examination technique, and especially focusing on those key areas, focusing on those hot topics for the examination. So because we have done our research, we've kind of got a good idea of the tips and what's coming up on the revision, we're going to focus in on those tips. Because we focus on those tips, it will give you a competitive advantage over the other students. Now the other big thing that people tell me is when they do revision, they weren't really sure on the course, weren't sure what was going on. When they did the revision, people always tell me the same thing. Oh, it came together for me on the revision. Now I understand. Now the good thing about the revision is it will tell you what you know, but it will also give you an idea of what you don't know, and that will give you a big advantage in the examination. You can identify your weak areas and work on them. Every revision course I do, you get my revision pack, all the past paper questions, but the secret is you also get my revision mind maps. People pay hundreds of dollars on the streets of Shanghai and in Beijing for these mind maps. This is everything on the course, diluted, simplified in simple diagrams for you. People love the mind maps who come on my revision course. So the mind maps, it's worth the price alone just to get your hands on the mind maps. Finally, what we give you is we give you a mock examination. Mock examination covering the key areas or key parts of the course. Now for P3 exam, we've got revision course in Singapore, KL, and in Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh and Hanoi. And also in P3, especially in Singapore, we've got two revision courses. We've got the normal revision course, but because students have fed back to us that P3 they find it a bit difficult, especially the big case studies, we've also got the extended revision course in Singapore. Now for the extended revision course, what we do is we give you extra question practice on the key topic areas. People who've done the revision course, they always got a higher pass rate because they've gone through those difficult questions, not once, but twice. We give you more practice on the key revision course questions on the extended revision course. Now, if you've already paid for the normal revision in Singapore, you can pay a top-up fee and do the extended revision. Finally, we give you a mock examination. On that mock examination, this will give you a good focus. I've written the mock exam to focus specifically on the tips that are going to come up in your examination. So that is another significant benefit. We give you that mock. Not only that, we're going to mark that mock examination for you. These three things are going to give you a distinct competitive advantage and help you to get to that magic 50 marks in the examination. My name is Marty Windle. For more information, please look at the FTMSGlobal.com website. Details are here. Okay. And finally, don't forget to like my P3 Facebook page, Marty Windle Lecturer. There's a link here on the screen. Thank you very much.